I'm gonna be doing on Victoria's hair today a super easy messy bun. And you can do this on your hair as well. I love this on my hair too. So you just put your hair in a ponytail. It doesn't matter if you have super duper long hair, I know Victoria does, or if you have medium length hair. And if you have shorter hair, it all depends if you can make this work. You're gonna have to try it. So you do one loop, and then as you're about to go through the second time and pull the ponytail out, you don't pull out all the way. So you just make a little tiny bump loop here. Victoria, I'm gonna have you turn your side to the side. Just a little loop like this. So then she has this really long tail just kind of hanging here. So then I'm gonna take this long hair, and there's so many different fun ways you could actually make this work, but I just wanted to show you the easiest messy bun look. So you take this tail and you just wrap it around the loop, just like that. So you're gonna wrap it around, and then I just take another elastic and I just put it right over just to secure the hair into place because it is just knotting. All right, so then you can leave it like that, but how I like to do a messy bun is I like to just go through and I like to pull the hair just a little bit more to give it more of like a messy, just toss and go kind of look. Now this is a chic, easy, messy bun here, Ben. Zoom in a little bit. I have all hands on deck with my son helping, and I just love how cute this is. So easy, messy bun.